Welcome to our project for our Materials and Manufacturing class, Polymer Disassembly Lab. The product we disassembled is the GM3060 ebook 4-socket power strip, which is an extension board.
The purpose of this product is to allow connections of multiple electronic devices to a single outlet. The housing casing is injection molded and made out of HDPE.
It also features a surge protector and an on-off button, which has an LED indicator too.
The inner components are connected by copper wiring.
This is how the extension board looks when disassembled.
The housing is secured by stainless steel screws, and you can see here that there's a plug and cable that's made out of LDPE. Thanks
Thanks
for
for
watching!
watching!